Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to transfer ownership of a Facebook page. So let's start the video. First, log into your Facebook account and head to the page you manage. Navigate to the menu bar. Now click on Settings to access the Pages Settings menu. Scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, tap on Page Setup. Then click on Page Access. This is where you can set who can access your page. Next to people with Facebook access, click on Add New. Then click Next. Now search for the new owner. Click on their name. Facebook will ask you for your password to confirm the change. Enter your password and the person will now be added as an admin. Once the new person accepts the role, return to the page role section, find your name and click Edit, then select Remove. And that's it, ownership is now transferred. So that's how you can transfer ownership of a Facebook page. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.